2025 is almost over, and this past week was packed with big smartphone news, product launches, and some surprising leaks. Let's break down everything important that happened in week 51 in simple and clear terms. One of the biggest highlights was the official launch of the OnePlus 15R. This phone grabbed attention mainly because of its massive 7400 mAh battery, which is huge by today's standards. While it's still smaller than the 8300 mAh battery found in the Ace 6T, it's one of the largest batteries we've seen in a mainstream phone. The OnePlus 15R also supports 80W fast charging, making that large battery much easier to live with. The phone comes with a 6-inch AMOLED display with resolution and 665X variable refresh rate. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor paired with 12GB of LPDDR4X Ultra RAM. Storage 255 6GB or 5GB of fast US4 storage. The OnePlus 15R is available in charcoal black and mint breeze colors, and pricing starts at $699 or $6049 for an 256GB model. Another major story this week was Xiaomi. The entire Redmi Note 15 series launched globally, and on top of that, reports suggest the Xiaomi 17 Ultra could be unveiled as early as December 26. Even more exciting is that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to go global later on, which means it won't stay limited to China for long. There was also a worrying report about a potential memory chip shortage. According to this report, the industry could face a situation where 4GB RAM phones make a comeback, while 16GB RAM flagships could slowly disappear. Samsung is reportedly planning to increase mid-range phone prices in India because of this shortage. While this sounds serious, many people are hoping the report is exaggerating and that things won't get that bad. Honor also shared details about its upcoming Win and Win RT smartphones, which are scheduled to launch on December 26. These phones stand out because they include built-in cooling fans, something usually seen only in gaming phones. The top-end Honor Win model is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip and a 6-inch LTPA display with a 165Hz refresh rate. The Win RT may use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 instead. One of these phones, or possibly both, could pack an enormous 10,000 mAh battery, which is truly wild. Apple made headlines too thanks to a list found in an early iOS 26 beta. This list revealed several upcoming Apple products planned for 2026. These include AirTag 2, a new studio display, a new Apple TV, a tabletop robot, and a HomePod Mini 2. On the mobile side, the list mentions the iPad 12 with an A19 chip, an M4-powered iPad Air, and several iPhones, including the iPhone 17, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and even a foldable iPhone. New Macs were also mentioned, such as a more affordable MacBook with an A18 Pro chip, plus M5 and M6 powered MacBook Pro models. Realme also teased its upcoming Realme 16 Pro series, which will launch on January 6. These phones were designed by Japanese designer Naoto Fukasawa, who has worked on several iconic Realme devices in the past. The Realme 16 Pro series features an urban wild design and comes in 4 colors: Master Gray, Master Gold, Camellia Pink, and Orchid Purple, with the last 2 being exclusive to India. The back of the Realme 16 Pro phones uses a bio-based organic silicone material made from plant-based straw, which is an interesting eco-friendly touch. The camera module design looks similar to the 15 but rotated 90 degrees. Camera-wise, the phones include a 200MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. Overall, week 51 showed that the smartphone world isn't slowing down even as the year comes to an end. Big batteries, faster chips, bold designs, and early looks at 2026 products made this a very exciting week for tech fans.